Welcome to our topic series. Today we're talking about tactical products and specifically goggles. So I would like to discuss the Advanced Combat Goggle. The Advanced Combat Goggle was developed here at Paulson Manufacturing with the idea of making the highest ballistic performance goggle in the marketplace with a single lens. So this goggle is a low profile goggle. As you can see here in this view, the distance from your face is very short. This goggle has 360-degree venting. All of this area that's indicating here has the foam that is covering over the vents so that debris and particles don't come to the inside, but you're still well ventilated. There's vents that are behind the strap, and we have vents that run all the way along underneath the bottom of the goggle. So with this 360-degree venting, the thickest, strongest lens that's available anywhere in the world for a goggle. We also needed to include a very soft and comfortable face foam, and we have that fleece covered. In this particular model, it's fleece covered. Then we have, with this goggle, a helmet compatibility bracket on the side. So if you're wearing this goggle directly on your head, the strap will pull straight back. But if you are wearing this goggle on the helmet and the strap is mounted onto the helmet, this unit will move out to compensate so that you don't have a tension on the strap created by the helmet. This goggle has an extremely wide peripheral view, good downward vision, and inside, if you are sweating to the point that you have sweat running into the goggle, the sweat will run out through the vent holes in the bottom of the goggle. The lens is very easy to change out, and the lens is available in 3 different colors. We have the clear, we have a gray color, and we have a high contrast yellow color. This high contrast yellow is the same color as typical in shooting glasses. These lenses are particularly easy to change out and are very secure once installed. We also have the same goggle, except that it's in a version that has a nylon lens. Nylon lenses have a greater impact capacity, higher ballistic impact, and they also are more chemical resistant. These goggles are also designed so that you can wear them directly on your head, or you can wear them so that the strap crosses onto the helmet. I'll show that indicating here. First of all, I'm going to loosen the strap because I'm going to be using it on the helmet. And I can just mount the goggle right over the top of the helmet. And it's ready to be easily deployed, and it can be worn in this way. I'd like to talk about the coatings. On the exterior of this, we have an anti-scratch silicone coating. Very highly durable, will last for a long period of time, and the goggle design is made so if the goggle contacts the surface, the lens does not touch the surface and thereby doesn't get scratched. On the interior of the goggle, we have an anti-fog coating. This is a polyurethane anti-fog. It's a permanent coating. So this goggle, as time goes on and as you're using it and it becomes dirty with skin oils and dust and dirt, you can easily wash the lens and the anti-fog coating will be right back to its original strength.